Hi everyone, it's Coco Cake Land, and I'm going to show you how to make this pink kitty cake. So I started off with a vegan vanilla cake, and I filled it with raspberry buttercream, and I frosted it with pink vanilla Swiss meringue buttercream. And you can find that recipe, I'll link it below. So this piping tip is my very favorite. It is called a large multi-opening piping tip, and it's usually used to make grass, but I love to use it to make fur on all of my multiple animal cakes. It's really fun. You can also use it to make noodles, which is awesome. It's kind of a piping tip with little dots and holes in it, and when you squeeze out the buttercream, it extrudes strands of buttercream, so it looks like fur, which is really cute. So you pipe the entire cake with that, and then what I do is I used vegan fondant to make facial features. So I made eyes, and I made the little cheeks and little kawaii pink face cheeks as well, and the little nose. And then I made ears as well, and I just anchored those ears using wooden skewers. Now I'm going to pipe the rest of the ears to add some more of the furry pink buttercream to the ears, and I'm going to do all the piping all the way up to the top, and then I'm going to turn the cake and pipe the other side of the ear and pipe the entire ear. Then I make custom cake toppers because I think that's such a cute idea, and I always draw my designs first. And then I place all of the fondant features onto the cake, and you just press down lightly, and then you have the cutest pink kawaii kitty cake. This one is vegan. You can make it with regular ingredients if you want, or plant-based ingredients. It's up to you. It is a 8-inch round 3-layer cake, and it turned out so cute. You can check out more of my work at cococakeland.com. Like and subscribe for more fun videos to come, and thank you so much for watching.